Hi there, happy creators! Welcome back to Happy Art Studio. I'm Joy. Today, we are going to draw Mystery from the Saja Boys in the movie K-pop Demon Hunters. Are you ready? Let's jam! First, let's start with his hair. His long purple hair covers his eyes, and that is his biggest charm. Let's complete the outline of his face and hair. Now, let's draw his upper body. His V-neck vest looks so cool, and his yellow t-shirt is super stylish too. Shall we make one hand fly a tiny finger heart? Cute! And let's put the other hand on his waist. Next, let's draw his pants. Let's catch the details of the belt and the awesome star patterns on his pants. Don't forget to draw his shoes, too. Wait, one thing is missing. Mystery has long hair in the back, too. Let's add his back hair, and it is all done. If you had fun today, please subscribe and join our Happy Art Studio family. See you in the next video. Happy creators, happy creating!